photo.
On Wednesday, July 14th, due to heavy rain, the Wichtbach River overflowed its banks and flooded the German town of Stahlberg. The streets of the town are like rivers, cellars are flooded, cars are floating, traffic is disrupted, there are problems with electricity. The municipality urged residents to leave their homes, please go to friends and family or to shelters. The fire brigade prepares to evacuate especially damaged streets. Meanwhile, rescue teams from other cities arrive to support local emergency services. Even experienced flood specialists talk about a completely unusual situation. Such extreme weather has not happened for a long time. Heavy rains on Friday in various parts of Oman caused devastating flooding across the country. The areas of El Batina and Sharqiya were particularly affected. The beds of dried-up rivers filled with water and rushed swiftly, bringing chaos and destruction. Moving between cities became almost impossible, and the main roads were blurred. The city of Sir suffered the most. The streets were like rivers, cars and houses were flooded, the power supply was cut, and many families had to be evacuated from their homes in lowland areas. Rescuers were busy clearing roads and removing obstacles even during the rains and getting life back to normal. The government has warned that the rivers will continue to overflow and anyone who crosses the river in the wrong place will face fines and even jail time.
One day, Jesus is coming. You may be at church. You may be at work. You may be asleep. God grant that you will be ready when He makes His personal appearance.